What's up guys, Steve Harvey here, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can be making $100, $200, $300 or even more per day just through YouTube. It's simple, it's easy, and you don't even have to make or record a single video, okay? But before we get started guys, I'd like to ask you guys to hit that subscribe button below if you haven't already, and even hit that bell next to it if you want to keep updated with my videos and be notified. Also at the end of the video, remember to hit that like button and leave a comment below, because then that way I can answer your questions or I can even say hi to you, okay? But you've been patient, you've been waiting, let's get started with this method. So we're going to jump into my laptop here and I'm going to show you our very first platform we're going to start with, and that is ClickBank, okay? So ClickBank, if you don't know what it is, it's basically a platform marketplace for affiliates and also creators to use, okay? So the creators go ahead and they list their products or their services on the marketplace, and then affiliates can go on and they can find the niche that they want to work in and advertise in, click on a product, promote it, and then earn commission from it, okay? So it's real simple to use and 100% free to create an account. So create an account, head over to the marketplace, and we can see right here we've got a whole lot of niches, okay? And we can see here, we can scroll down, you've got games, travel, sports, health and fitness. But in this method, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be targeting in the e-business and e-marketing. We'll head into this, this category, and once we're in the category, we can try and find a product, okay? So just a little tip if you're new to this, okay? You can actually rank by gravity, and if you don't know what gravity is a scale system that tells you how popular a product is, okay? So something that has a higher gravity, so for example on the screen here we can see this one has 161 and then it goes down to 97 and lower. So with the higher gravity it means it's more popular, okay? So we can set our sort results by to gravity and high to low, and then that way it's going to give us the most popular and successful products on the market right now. So we can see here we've got our hot link right here, so we can click on the button. It says we've successfully copied the hot link, and then we're going to come all the way back to bit.ly and paste that in there, okay? So we've got the URL in there, and once we've got that in there we can then just give it a title. So you can also do like the product name. So now we're going to customize it to make it look more tidy and more appealing for the eye for when someone wants to click on it. So for example we've got bit.ly here, and then we can edit the back half and we can say online money making. So sometimes it might not be available, so you might have to take a couple of tries at it. Let's say online money making easy. There we go. Okay, so online money making easy, that is available. So we get that link, and then once we've got that link we can actually go out of here onto our homepage, click on copy, and now we've got the link ready to paste wherever we want to paste it. And this is going to take us on to the next step of the method, and this is the part where we're going to be heading over to YouTube, okay? And we want to find somebody that's like an influencer in the niche. So for example, I've got Kevin David here, so he's got almost 500,000 subscribers on there. There's even more if you want to head over to like Dan Locke. There's also like actual channels, not just people themselves that do online money making. Find one like that, and then we want to find their latest video, okay? Now when you find their latest video, you can see this video was posted 12 hours ago. To make this more effective, I'd actually say, to make this more effective, I'd advise you guys to turn on the post notifications for that channel, because in that way, as soon as that video is posted, you're actually going to know about it, and you're actually going to be able to head into it straight away. And then once you head into it, we're going to head down into the comments here. And this is the most important part of it all, because we can see the comments, and what happens is your comment is ranked depending on the most popular comment. So for example, we can see here this guy's got 15 likes on his comment. He's also got a love heart just from Kevin David himself, and people will say all sorts of stuff like inspirational stuff, work harder, thank yous, all sorts of things like that. So I'll start with like an inspirational thing or a motivational thing just to kind of get people like, yeah, and they'll actually draw more likes to that comment. So we're going to put a little inspirational quote in here, or we're going to put like a little motivational quote in here. So let's say something made up like work hard every day and the future will be very rewarding. I don't know, kind of weird, just made it up, but you can even go online, find a quote, something like that. And then once you've done that, you can click on comment, and then that comment's going to be put on there. And that's why it's best to do it as soon as the video comes out, okay? Because then that means you're actually more likely to get seen at the very start, and not get lost amongst, for example, 120 comments right here. Once you've actually posted it, straight away you want to click on the thumbs up on it, like it yourself. I know it's kind of cheeky, but that's what you got to do. You got to hit that like, thumbs up on your own comment, and then once you thumbs up it, maybe you have another account that's getting a bit cheeky here, but any other accounts, go in, like it, and then hopefully because you've liked it there, more people will like it. One, because it's at the top there, so people are seeing it, but two, because it's quite a forward motivational quote there, people can maybe just relate to it and be like, hey, yeah, and they can like it. Now this is the part where there's a little bit of waiting game involved, okay? Because we have to wait for that comment to get to the top and wait for those people to see it and like it, okay? So once they've actually done that, so let's say we wait till the end of the day, so or maybe a few hours, depends on how long it's actually going to take, but once it's at the top comfortably, we can actually go in and we're going to go edit the comment. So if we click there on those three dots, we can click edit, and then that way we can be like, we can say earn money online with this method, and then we can go copy our link in there. So there we go, we've got earn money online with this method, and then we've got our online money making easy URL in there, and then you can click save. Once you've clicked save, it's going to come up, and the thing is the likes and everything like that is going to be saved to that comment, okay? So they don't disappear, it doesn't refresh, it's all there, you're still at the top, but all you've done is just change the comment. So just to recap for you guys, you're going to head over to ClickBank and make an account, choose your niche, and find a product you want to promote. Once you've found it, copy that link, head over to Bitly and make it look a little bit nicer, and then you head over to YouTube and you find your influencer or your YouTube account that you want to actually follow and also comment on it. So you want to make sure those notifications are on that YouTube account, and then when that YouTube video comes out, straight away head over, pop your little inspirational or motivational quote in there, start liking it, build it up to the top, and then we want to edit it and paste that link in, okay? But like I said at the very start, it's super easy to do, guys. It's 100% free. You don't even have to make a single video at all. So if you enjoyed the method, hit that like button below. I really appreciate it. And if you want more videos and you want to follow along, hit the subscribe button as well, because I'm going to be coming out with more videos like this in the very near future. But that's all for this one, and we'll see you guys in the next one.